Dear principals and center superintendents, so now I want to share you the final checklist for CBSE Board Examination 2025. So this is informative for all the principals and the center superintendent where CBSE Board Examination Center is fixed. Even it is helpful for the parents, students and the staffs, those who are. So I want to tell you, because after 2 days, I mean on Saturday, on 15th February, so the board examination is going to be started. So I want to tell you all the steps, one by one, all the steps. So let us be conformed and make all the checklist ready. So by mistake, if you are missing anything, so it will be rectified. So the first and foremost, it is important that we will go to CBSE site. If you go to CBSE site, we will find out it is CBSE official website. If you go to CBSE official website, we will find out main, Pariksha Sangam, all these things. So for the smooth handling of examination, so there is a site. So if you click Pariksha Sangam, we will come to this portal. This is Pariksha Sangam. So where all the every day it will be managed. The examination days, everything will be managed here. School, regional office and head office. Since we are from school, so we will click here school. Yeah. So from here, the main role starts, right? So we will find exam reference materials, pre-exam activities, exam activities and all these things. So if I talk about pre-exam activities, so this is the place where we can find out admit card and center material. Okay, this is the first thing. We should go here. Then when we go, then we will get a login here. So we will use the ID, LOC ID and password. So LOC ID and password if we put, then here we will find all the exam materials. Admit card in the sense the admit card of our school student, and the center material means what the materials required for the smooth dealing of examination. Means how many students are coming from outside and from which school the students are coming, and at the same time there are all this detailed photo, roll number and their signature, means for the everyday's attendance. All this paper will get here. So I can log in, but I don't want to show you here the login. So this is the place. It is very important. First thing we have to check here. After checking, we will get all the center materials. Then we have to organize. Even here you will get all the checklist, everything. Okay, I have shared this PDF in the link and in the Telegram group also. All detail we will find here. So here CMTM and CS. This is for Center Superintendent, and one more app is there, CMTMC. This is for Custodian. So where the question paper is stored. So that custodian, they will download this app, and principals and center superintendent, they will download this app. But only thing is that if we are using iPhone, it is not available in iPhone. It is only available in Android phone. So we have to use Android phone to download the app. Okay, after downloading the app, we will verify with OTP because we have to enter the mobile number. If the mobile number is not activated, immediately we have to contact the regional officer. So they will update with the mobile number. Then you will get the OTP. Then once you are entering OTP, then you will get all the report there. Then you have to update all the things. Okay, so this is the thing. And one more, what I want to say, yeah. So this is the place we will get admit card and center material. And once you are getting all these things, so then here everyday activities, on everyday examination activities will be managed here, exam activities, right? So exam activities, if you click here, so this slot every day we have to maintain. It is very important. So it is not activated. I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow, by Friday, Saturday it will be activated. So it is not activated. Even if I click, it's written here. If I click, so it will be activated. Okay, it will be activated. So once you enter here, we have to log in, right? We have to log in with same LOC ID and password. Once we are logged in here, every day, the most important thing is that what subject, and then the time, at what time the question paper arrived, at what time question paper received, and at what time question paper distributed, and who are the observer and who are the assistant superintendent, means invigilators, and all the details we have to mention here. And the most important thing is also, after sending the answer sheet, the parcel slip, that photo or the scan copy you have to upload here at the end of the day. Okay, then it will be over. And one more thing is that, So I want to show you one thing here, right? Pre-exam activities, yeah. So the important thing is we have to update our overseas, I mean the teachers data bank. Overseas means what are the number of teachers in our school, they're all detailed, because when they are going for invigilation, they all this bank detail, then they will be getting one UID number. This everything must be updated, because when we are using this side, so we have to enter the UID number. If you enter UID number, the bank detail automatically it will be coming. If not, we have to update there so that they will be getting the remuneration. So these are the things, the duties and responsibilities of principal and the center superintendent. And at the same time, the center superintendent also have to appoint deputy superintendent, then all these things. And for packing and dispatch, I have already created, means recorded one video. So you will find the video in this playlist. So if you have any doubt or if you want any support related to this examination for all these things, so you can ask me. My WhatsApp number is there, all this contact number is there, you can communicate with me. I can support you according to my possibility. And of course there are some video links are given here also for duties and responsibility of a superintendent and all these things. You can go through these videos and we can find out. And one more thing I want to show you here. So this is the guideline. This is completely 98 page. So this is completely 98 page. But so here at page number 53, you will find out the complete procedure for packing answer sheet and answer books. And this is the color of the clothes where class 10th and class 12th paper will be sent. So if you are still facing some problem for packing all these things, you can ask me. I will support you. And at the same time, at the end of this page, you will find all the appendix. Appendix A, this is for duties and responsibilities. Next, Appendix B, also some instruction. But we have to send Appendix E, F, G, H, I. These are the appendix we have to send with answer sheet. And one thing remember, the attendance sheet of the students, where the students put their signature, that will be sent at the end of the examination, right? And before sending, we have to make some Xerox copy that should be kept for the future purpose, right? So attendance sheet of the students don't send, that will be sent at the end of the examination. So all these things you will find here. I want to show you, where is that? D is also instruction. Yeah, Appendix E. Yeah. So here you can see it's written here CBSE 66. From here, all the forms, all the appendix we have to send with answer sheet, right? So this is the detail you will find here. I think it is easy. Appendix E, G, E, F is for what? F for consolidated attendance. Next, yeah. So H for what? This is attendance. Yeah. So this is what you will download from center material. So this type of things you will find in the center material. So you have that will be used for the signature and writing this serial number, all these things, right? Okay. We have to send, and this Appendix J, should be pasted, should be fixed in front of the school, because it is the bell ringing schedule. Okay, that must be pasted or means fixed outside of the campus, so that everyone can watch and they can understand the bell timing, all these things. So, and this is all how to use your CMT app, all these things given here. I have given this PDF in the description, even in Telegram group. So still if you have any problem, you can write. Definitely I will support you. Thank you very much.